We've waited long enough. Just about all the parts are here. We're about to get old school cool up in here. Let's go. All right. I know everybody's been giving me a hard time. When are we putting the blower on? Well, we're going to kick it off right now, but we've got a couple of different phases that we got to go through to get everything ready. And the first one, see that K member right up there? About to drop that in, get that going. I need to swap out the fuel pump, and then of course, so fresh and so clean. Yeah, it's gonna be a big one, big project.
You got some inspiration, huh?
Yeah, we do. We're going all old school today. Yeah, so I guess we're just gonna get right into it. All right, I guess this is a moment of truth. Everything undone. About ready to put something right there.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah.
We're gonna be putting something under here before we put something there.
Yeah, we gotta put something under there first. What do you think? You ready?
Yeah.
Do it.
Button.
All right. Yeah.
Good. Hold on a second. Alright. Make sure that wire don't hang on your motor mount or something.
Yeah. Trans line. Okay.
That's bolted in the backside here.
Hold on. There's a clip on the Bluetooth wire over here. Okay, here.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, no.
It makes me nervous. Huh?
When I put it in, they're just a little bit bigger straps, but
It ain't holding much weight. The thing is, it ain't like it's holding in or nothing. It's just a steady weight on it. I'm good on my side.
ready? That's hanging on there.
Yeah. That's probably good. That's probably good for now, because just let it right back down.
Yeah. Push down on this screw. There.
What's that?
Push down on the screw. Push down on it. Get the block out of it. You don't want. Oh, you got the jacks there.
There you go.
There it is.
Get your struts off.
Something. Oh yeah.
Let that jack out.
Not bad. Not bad, yeah. Let that down. What about it, boys? Whole lot of weight off the front end. Hell yeah. Oh yeah. Look, we got 2 cranks pulleys now. What do you think? We're gonna hang that bracket up?
Let's hang it.
Here it is. Oh, it's tight. It's tight. All right, we're getting closer. We're getting much closer. Okay, we're gonna make boost. It ain't gonna be today.
No, but it's gonna look pretty.
Yeah, it looks pretty. Check it out. Did the 3G upgrade finally. But I guess it's time to put a compressor on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then we're going to enjoy Father's Day.
Yeah, we're gonna go enjoy Father's Day after that. It is Sunday. But we don't give a damn. We work regardless, you
That's
know?
right. That's what fathers do.
Exactly.
We'll get it done and we'll go home.
Get it done and chill. All right, let's get that compressor on. All right, Kevin, shall we give him the full reveal? I mean, it's not the full reveal.
No, but it's yours.
But
whatever you feel like doing.
Yeah, we
Or
made
you wait
progress.
till next time.
Nah, I can't wait.
So now we get to hear the
Yeah.
whoosh, whoosh, whoosh,
Yes, sir.
all that racket.
Man, let me get over here. Oh, she's
Oh,
so beautiful. Damn, Kevin, we got it dirty already.
Yeah, well, you know.
What the hell?
Oh, look inside there.
Yeah,
What's it look like?
beautiful. All shiny billet.
Mm-hmm.
Man, what a freaking day. So recap for today, got the tubular K member in. That was fun. Got the blowers, it's just loose. We hadn't tightened everything up, but
It's mocked up, ready to go.
yeah, it's ready to go. Of course, you got to have the UPR smog pump delete, which is right down there. And then went ahead and got the 3G 130 amp alternator. Needed that. I should have done that a long time ago, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Well, finally, yeah, productive day. A lot of freaking work. So this is where we're going to pick up next time. I've got to drop the tank and put the 340 in the tank, which, you know, that's not a big deal. And then we got to start installing the MS3 Pro. And I got to pull the dash apart so we can get that digital cluster in from AmpEFI.
Yeah, don't leave this thing sitting somewhere.
No, shit, no.
Yeah.
Not this car, not anymore.
Oh, I might have to borrow that stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, the dash.
You already got a cool, you got the autometer Envision though.
Yeah, that's pretty
You gonna swap it?
cool.
Maybe?
I don't know.
So they should look from your Envision on Marketplace?
No.
Not yet.
No, I do have a second car, so.
That's true, yeah.
I do have a second car. I do like the AFR and the boost and everything.
I do too. I do
I
too.
think that was the selling point.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know what the rest of it looks like, but
Oh, you
having-
about to find out. It's going to be on there. I
yeah,
can't wait. Man, I love it. Pop's car is officially legit. Well, not officially yet, but
There we go.
yeah. Thing makes noise. This thing's going to be loud.
Mhm.
All right, boys, so keep it tuned. Check this out. We've got some exceptional goodies from Anderson. We'll show that in the next video. Yeah, we're not running this. We're running that. So, Anderson Ford Motorsport power pipe there. And then I've got my Max Flow Race bypass coming. And then we got to get the spindles on. And I've got the coilovers coming for the Steeda Pro Action shocks and struts. So we'll have coilovers on the front, Cobra brakes. It's going to be amazing. All right, boys, we're going to clean up and call it a day. Go home and relax. It is Father's Day. today when we're filming. So happy Father's Day. If I didn't get to talk to you, hope you guys enjoyed this. Stay tuned. Got some epic stuff coming. Super freaking excited. Make sure you subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. We'll catch you on the next one.